If your baby suddenly starts shaking or their eyes roll back, don't put anything in their mouth. That mistake can make things worse. In that moment, you have seconds to respond, and what you do next matters. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do immediately, what to avoid, and how to know when it's an emergency. A convulsion, also called a seizure, can look very frightening, especially if you've never seen one before. Your baby's body may jerk or shake uncontrollably. They might suddenly become stiff. Their eyes may roll upward or fix in one position. They may not respond to you at all. You might also notice drooling or foaming. It can last a few seconds or several minutes, but in that moment, it often feels much longer. In that moment, panic is natural, but the wrong reaction can make things worse. What matters most here is not how it looks, but how you respond. The first thing to do is stay as calm as you can and take note of the time. Look at a clock if you can, or start counting in your head. This is critical. The length of the seizure helps doctors understand what's happening, and it determines how urgent the situation is. Next, gently place your baby on their side. This helps keep their airway clear and reduces the risk of choking, especially if there is saliva or vomiting. Avoid placing them flat on their back during the seizure. Now, clear the area around your baby. Move away any hard or sharp objects. If they're on a bed or sofa, make sure they can't roll off. You're not trying to stop the seizure, you're preventing injury while it runs its course. If your baby is wearing tight clothing, especially around the neck, loosen it slightly. This helps make breathing easier. Now this is critical, because this is where many parents make dangerous mistakes. Do not try to hold your baby down. It may feel like the right thing to do, but restraining them can cause injury. Let the seizure happen while you keep them safe. And there are things you must never do during a convulsion. Do not put anything in your baby's mouth. Not your finger, not a spoon, nothing at all. This does not stop the seizure and can cause choking or serious injury. Do not try to give food, water, or medicine during the episode. And do not shake your baby in an attempt to stop it. These actions can make the situation more dangerous. A lot of parents don't know this, and that's why this matters. Now pay close attention, this is when you must act fast. If the seizure lasts more than 5 minutes, get medical help immediately. If your baby has repeated seizures close together, that's urgent. If they have difficulty breathing, turn blue, or do not regain consciousness after the seizure stops, seek help right away. And if this is your baby's first convulsion, they should always be checked by a medical professional. You might be wondering why this happens. In many babies, convulsions are triggered by a sudden rise in body temperature, often called a fever seizure. These are more common than many people realize, and in many cases, they stop on their own without long-term harm. But convulsions can also be linked to infections or other medical conditions. So even if it stops quickly, it should never be ignored. Moments like this feel overwhelming, but knowing what to do gives you control. You are not trying to stop the seizure, you are making sure your baby stays safe until it passes or help arrives. Let's quickly go over what to remember. Stay calm. Lay your baby on their side. Clear the area. Do not restrain them. Do not put anything in their mouth. Get help if it lasts too long or something doesn't feel right. Save this, share it with another parent, and subscribe, because this is information every parent should have.